Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video will be about how to style your freshly washed type 4 hair. So here I have my hair I'm just from washing it. I have done a previous video on aloe vera. Kindly go check it out because you all don't know what you're missing if you haven't seen that video. Okay, so let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, that's it. So let's get into the video. So I will be showing you 4 hairstyles that you can do on your freshly washed type 4 hair. The first hairstyle will be the pussycat. So I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections. I have a rat-tailed comb here that I'll use to divide. So let's... So once you've divided your hair into 2 sections, you're just gonna hold on to one so that you can work on the other section. So I'm going to hold this one down just loosely like that. So we're left with this other section. We're going to apply some gel on it for just the hold. Yeah. And then you're gonna comb it through to stretch it a little bit, because you know our hair shrinks a lot. So once you've combed it like that, pick your rubber band. Ensure you hold all the hair down. So there we have it. Then you come to this other side with the same procedure. So there you have it. That's style 1. With the back, it has really cooperated. Let's see. So there you can rock it with your dress and lay up your edges. So that's style 1. Let's get to style 2. So guys, for style 2, we're going to have a high bun. So I'll show you. I have a rubber string here, just some yarn. Then I'll do some gel on the sides like this. Yeah. Then I'll take the yarn. You can just use it this way, at least to be much longer. Then you tighten and push it nice and slowly. I'm addicted to loving you. Ensure you hide the strings. I like just push them inside there. Yeah, like that. Then you fluff out. So once you fluffed it out like that, you have your band there. Just with some jeans, something just chic or casual you can do it with. Yeah, there. So let me turn at the back. You see, there is the back. So that's look number 2. Let's get to look number 3. So guys, for look number 3, we're going to just divide a small section to the front. So there, once you've divided into a front section, a small section to the front, we're going to tie the back into a bun. So then you fluff it out. So this front section, here's a white comb, so you just comb it a little bit. There. So you can have something like a mohawkish there. Then you lay your edges on the side, then the back. So that is look number 4, number 3. So let's get to look number 4. So guys, for our 4th and final look, we're just going to modify the 3rd look. Yeah, I know. So we're gonna make some twists that will fall on our forehead like a fringe. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. You can rock it like this with some twists on the front, then the back with the bun. There we have it. So let me take a picture. So that's it, guys. So those are the 4 looks, guys, I have done. One was the pussycat, the next was the bun without the things, the 3rd was kind of like a frohawk with just a front mohawkish something, and then the 5th is this. So you can do this when you're going to work, going to class, going anywhere. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just click that subscription button. That banner that's just appeared on the side. Just go ahead and click it, please. It wouldn't cost you a muscle. So that's it, guys. I hope you will enjoy, and I hope the styles I've shown you will enable you to manage your hair much better. So till next time, guys. Bye.